Hello, welcome to our channel Lifelong English Learning Academy. We started these video series for those who want to boost their English vocabulary. The videos are designed in 3 different levels: elementary, intermediate and advanced. This video is for elementary level. It focuses on basic animal-related words. Are you ready to master your vocabulary skills? Let's start. Animal. It is a living thing that can move and eat to survive. A veterinarian cares for animals. Zoo. It is a place where people can see and learn about different kinds of animals. We visit animals at the zoo. Pet. It is an animal that people keep at home for companionship and enjoyment. My pet's name is Muffin. Horse. She rides a horse in the park. Fish. The fish swims in the tank. Cat. The cat looks comfortable. Bird. Birds sing in the morning. Sheep. The sheep eat grass in the field. Pig. The pig likes to play in the mud. Snake. Watch out, there is a snake over there. Rat. Rats are larger than mice. Lion. The lion roars loudly in the jungle. Rabbit. The rabbit hops around in the meadow. Insect. It is a small living creature that has 6 legs and often wings. Some examples of insects are ants, bees, butterflies, and mosquitoes. Elephant. The elephant has a long trunk and big ears. Mouse. I saw a small mouse on the kitchen floor. Here is a note about mouse. Mouse is singular and the plural form if mouse is mice. We say a mouse and 2 mice. Monkey. The monkey swings from tree to tree in the forest. Duck. The duck swims happily in the pond. Dinosaur. Long ago, there were dinosaurs on the earth. Bear. The bear sleeps during the winter. Chicken. The chicken clucks in the backyard. And the last one is baby. It is a young or newborn member of an animal. The baby penguin is swimming happily. Why, this is the end of our video. Thanks for watching it. If you want to support our channel, please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Do not forget to check out our other videos.